Can I get compensation for car accident? Being involved in an accident can often have very far-reaching implications. Earnings can be affected, lifestyle changes may have to be made, and in some cases there may even be long-term implications that will change your life forever. For some people, the injuries sustained can even lead to a shortening of their expected lifespan. If you were injured in a motoring accident that was caused by the negligence of a third party, it is possible to claim compensation for the injuries you may have suffered as a direct result of the accident. The amount of compensation you may receive will be determined by the seriousness of the injury sustained. There are a series of procedures that should be followed in the event of any subsequent action you may wish to bring. If these are not followed, and if you fail to provide the relevant evidence required to substantiate your loss, it could cause you to lose any compensation you may be entitled to. Make certain that your injuries are correctly documented. If the relevant medical records aren't provided as evidence to support your claim, there is a strong possibility that it will be rejected. Be sure to visit a doctor immediately so the injury can be examined. It is important to substantiate the nature of the claim by having adequate medical documentation to support it. It is also vital to make a claim in the correct classification. You will be making your claim in one or more categories that include general damages, special damages, pain and suffering, loss of amenity, and several other possible categories. Filing a claim under the correct category or categories will make sure your claim is as effective as it can possibly be. You must be sure to contact the Motor Insurers Bureau. In particular, if you have been injured by an uninsured driver, you need to file for compensation with the Motors Insurance Bureau. This is also true if you have been involved in a hit-and-run accident where the driver has left the scene of the accident in the immediate aftermath. Most importantly, you must seek immediate and competent legal help. If legal costs are included in the price of your annual motor insurance policy, there is a strong chance a lawyer will immediately be made available to help you file your claim. If you have to find your own legal representation, always insist on a lawyer who is prepared to act on a no-win, no-fee basis. This way, the lawyer only gets paid by you if you win the claim, otherwise he will take up his costs with the insurance company. This means you shouldn't have to pay a penny to support your claim. If you haven't already done so, make yourself familiar with what your insurance policy offers in terms of legal representation and contact your insurance company if you'd like to have sufficient cover added to the annual cost of your current premium. In the event of any future accident, there is at least some peace of mind offered.